Let Zach try it.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh.
But that was.
Okay.
Good forward.
Try the different things. All right, because I got to send it to the people.
Wait. It's actually not on.
I know.
Hit a button.
The picnic is
I am, look.
sad.
Which one?
It's not even sad.
Okay, look at a different button.
I'm gonna show you the file.
Okay, hold on. We're going to, let's do dance. Zoe, leave it. Did you touch the button? The button might be off. Is the lights on?
No.
That's why, because it's off. You shut it off. Okay, now go ahead and try the buttons. Zach, try it.
Let's play together.
Smoker truck when we got a tray of food. We ran all the way to the back.
Do something, Zach.
We're gonna be at the same fucking park. I think it's gonna be from like 11 to 5.